Kachiel nyaka dala mar Karen kuma komiti mochuogi ne tayo chenro marik mar Raila Odinga motelne gi jalup jatend piny Kenya Prof Kindiki obago romo margi mokwongo kendo giikore ne twak ewi okang' machielo ewi tho mar jatelo men Raila Odinga manotimore piny mar India. Neno ka jotelo oseriendo kanyo kendo twagni chalni dwa mana chako sechegi. Mano Profesa Prof Kindiki odonjo owinja ne wacho nang'o.
Good afternoon, fellow Kenyans. Good evening. I think we are all in a state of disorientation. Good evening. I take this opportunity to welcome you to this press briefing by the National Committee on the State Funeral of the Right Honorable Prime Minister Raila Odinga. Fellow Kenyans, as you're aware, today His Excellency President William Ruto made a presidential proclamation announcing the passing on of the former Prime Minister of Kenya and leader of ODM, the Honorable Raila Odinga. The President announced a number of decisions arising out of earlier meetings which were convened during the day, first with the family of our departed leader, later on with the National Security Council and the Cabinet. After deliberations and consultations, it has been directed that a national committee on the state funeral of the Right Honorable Prime Minister Raila Odinga be established. It is also important to reiterate that the government of Kenya has decided to give the Honorable Raila Odinga a state funeral, and that is why this committee has been established. The committee will be co-chaired by the Deputy President and the Honorable Senator Dr. Oburu Oginga, the elder brother of our departed leader. The other members of this committee from the Cabinet: CS Wycliffe Oparanya, CS for Cooperatives and MSMEs; CS Soipan Tuya, CS for Defense; CS Aden Duale, CS for Health; and the Attorney General, Dr. Oduor. From the family, besides the co-chairperson, Senator Oburu, Dr. Wenwa Akinyi Oginga, William Ojonyo, Elijah Oburu, and Joe Ager, Doctor. From the ODM party, Professor Anyang' Nyong'o, the Governor of Kisumu County; Governor Gladys Wanga, who is also the National Chairperson of ODM; Governor James Orengo of Siaya; Governor Abdulswamad Sharif Nasir of Mombasa; and Governor Simba Arati of Kisii. From the Senate, Minority Leader Senator Justice Stewart Mazayo and Senator Godfrey Otsotsi. From the National Assembly, the Minority Whip Junet Mohammed, Minority Leader and former Minority Whip Junet Mohammed, the current Minority Whip Millie Odhiambo, Dr. James Yekar, Dr. Otiende Amolo,